This ought to be good.
Someone's down there. Do you think it might be that Bobbity guy?
No, that's not Bobbity.
Someone's coming out. Dabura, curse that Bobbity. He's made the king of the demon realm nothing but his servant.
Huh? Dabura? Which one's that? The big guy?
Yes.
Wait, so that means the little one over there is the wizard Bobbity?
Correct. What he lacks in physical strength, he more than makes up for with his terrifying magic.
Bobbity's greatest technique is his ability to latch on to the evil in one's heart and use it to bend the victim to his will. For this reason, only those such as ourselves, free from evil in our hearts, will be able to fight him.
Oh my, this is completely full of energy. Well done, you two. This brings us closer to reviving Majin Buu. And it also means I have no more use for you. Pui Pui. Yes, sir. Well, my dear Dabura, it seems that Yamu and his friends have brought us some visitors, just as I calculated. And with them, that infernal Supreme Kai who murdered my father long ago.
Assuming we can't make use of the energy from the Supreme Kai and Kabito. 3 of the others appear to have more than enough energy for our needs.
Once you eradicate the others, Dabura, I want you to then lure those 3 into the ship. That will afford us a much greater chance of absorbing their energy.
Indeed.
One more thing. Do not kill the Supreme Kai. I will personally see to it he receives a slow and painful death later.
As you wish, Lord Bobbity.
Do not let me down.
Sir, now then, it's time.
Kabito!
No!
What the?
Oh no!
Krillin! Piccolo!
Don't touch them! They've both been turned to stone. They can't be restored unless Dabura is killed.
Oh, is that all we have to do? Well, that seems simple enough.
Leave this place! You will never be able to stop Lord Bobbity.
Let's go!
Where are you going?
Come on, Dad. Let's make short work of this guy and save Piccolo and Krillin.
Now you're talking.